Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. After a long time guys, right? I'm so sorry. Actually I forgot my previous YouTube channel password. That's why today I started my new YouTube channel guys. And here I will upload 3 to 4 videos every week related to a tech, especially for data science. So please do like, share and subscribe. So let's start with the today agenda guys. In this video we are going to discuss one of the best platform where you can learn all technology at a very affordable price. Yes, I'm talking about the iNeuron. 2 days back, iNeuron launched one of the platform named as OneNeuron, Education as a Service. OneNeuron is a OTT platform guys, where you can raise your demand and within a 60 days, iNeuron team will fulfill your all demands. I hope you are aware about the Amazon Prime and Netflix. But on the Amazon Prime or Netflix, you cannot raise your demand. Okay, I need these types of movie, I need these types of web series. But on the One Neuron platform, you can raise your demand, and within 60 days, iNeuron team will fulfill your demand. You can ask any types of technology related courses, you will get it within 60 days, guys. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features. Okay, so here you can see what is on One Neuron. It's a OTT platform where you can learn all technology, where you can raise your demand if you need any types of courses, if those courses are not available under the One Neuron platform. Okay, what do we offer? It means One Neuron. Okay, so here you can see education as a service. Here you will get weekly content and projects update. Second, roadmap to your career. Third, raise your demand. It means if you need any types of courses, if those courses are not available on the One Neuron portal, you will get it within a 60 days. Okay, access to innovation lab. Okay, One Neuron within a like 1 to 2 month, One Neuron launched one more innovation lab where if you want to work with the One Neuron team, iNeuron team, you can come and Bangalore iNeuron office and then you can work with the iNeuron team. Okay, resume support, career guidance, mock interview, one-to-one mentorship. Mock interview, it means let's say tomorrow you have an interview in one of the organization, and today if you want mock interview, you can simple send a one email. Within a 12 to 18 hour, one your team will connect you and then he can take your mock interview. Okay, one-to-one mentorship. If you need any technical assistance, you can send an email, you can connect a support team. When you connect a support team within a 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the query, you will get a response. But when you send an email within a 24 hour, and your team will connect with you and he will resolve your all query. Other option you will get under the One Neuron. Every day, One Neuron mentor will provide you the one-to-one session, technical session where you can ask your any doubt related to a technical, related to your career guidance, anything you can ask every day. Okay, start and choose very affordable price guys. Here under the One Neuron, today I will show you guys, I will show you. Okay, later I will show you. Here One Neuron 100 plus courses are available. Okay, the price is 7,080 rupees one, including GST. Okay, it's a 1 year subscription, but if you enroll within a within a 2 month, yeah, within a 2 month, you will get 2 years subscription. After 2 months, you will get 1 year subscription, guys. Okay, so if you want to enroll in this course, then please try to join within a 2 month. 2 month, you can check the enrollment link in the description. Okay, and here you can enroll. Okay, raise your demand. If you need any types of courses, you can raise your demand. Hundreds of plus courses are available. 500 plus projects are available. Consistent service from the iNeuron team, Skype team, mentor team. You will get all the supports, guys. Work with one-to-one with the expert mentors. Okay, here you can enroll. Let's sign in first of all here, guys. Let me back first of all. Here you can see full stack courses, machine learning, deep learning. You will get lots of courses: development, web development, mobile development, cloud, AWS, GCP, Azure, DevOps courses, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Git, Linux, programming. You will get these types of courses: marketing, teaching and academic, and K12. Okay, let's first of all sign in here. Then I will show you. This is my account, guys. Okay, let's click on here. I need on my courses, and here you can see these are the one neuron courses. Here you can see the raise your demand option, guys. If you need any types of courses, just click on here, raise your demand. Here you can select the any option course request you want. You want new module in the course, topic explanation, doubt clearing session, expert advice, resume discussion, mock interview, work with iNeuron, feedback and suggestion. Any types of demand you can reach from there. Okay. Second option here, refer to solve your doubts regarding anything. Okay. So you can ask here as well. You can see here the doubt clearing session every day, Monday to Sunday. You will get a one-to-one session. Here you can see the timing: development, data, cloud, DevOps. Every day 12 to 3 p.m. to 6:30, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 1:30. Okay, so every day, guys, you can discuss, you can connect with your expert mentors, and you can ask anything related to your career, related to your technical advice. You can ask any doubts. Okay, so this is for the doubt clearing session. Next, you can see there are hundreds plus courses are available: digital marketing, art programming, Linux, Git. You can read, guys. You can read from the here. Okay, see there are lots of courses are available. Into courses are available. Projects are available: Monstack project, SQL projects, computer vision live class, advanced computer vision. You will get hundreds plus of courses, guys. Okay, in a single payment at a very affordable price. Okay, so these are the new service iNeuron launched, named as a One Neuron platform. Okay, and if you want to enroll, then please enroll within a 2 month. Link available in the description section, because if you enroll in within a 2 month, you will get 2 years of subscription, but after 2 months you will get only 1 year of subscription, guys. Okay, so that's all about in this video, guys. Let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section. Okay, thank you.